easy, baby. We got.
So I'm concerned with Anthony.
I'm gonna tell you what's going on. You can't really tell no more. Bring your face home. We got. I'm sorry, baby. Well, I'm sorry.
Just breathe, okay? Just give me 1 second, okay?
We got police.
I know I am the police.
We got police. Oh, shit.
Alright.
What's going on? Stop, police. Back, nigga. Call the police.
Is it him? Is it him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys want to trespass him?
Yes.
Okay. If he doesn't want to, you guys want to trespass him?
Listen to me. Talk to him.
I just don't want him.
We ain't shot walking. We right here.
Anthony, give me 1 second.
Yeah, bitch.
Hey, stop. Give me 1 second.
She don't know what happened. She don't know what happened.
So if he doesn't leave, will you like to
Hey, talk about I'm going out the party.
You're trespassing.
But I'm answering later. I would.
Anthony, you're trespassing.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
You gotta leave.
I don't want to go. You trespass. I'm emotional.
Do not talk to me. Go.
Let me tell you.
Go or you're getting arrested.
Hey, you don't get arrested.
Go or you're getting arrested.
You don't get arrested.
Go or
You don't get arrested. I'm gonna show you.
Hey.
Hey, go. I'm gonna show you, baby.
Please.
You don't get arrested.
Stop.
Let me show you what's happening.
Right.
Tase me. You don't stop. Tase me.
You wanna get tased?
Tase me.
I got one tase. Put your hands behind your back. Put your
I
hands.
go to
Put your hands. Put your
I
hands.
go.
Put your
I
hands.
put. I don't put a hand.
Put your hands behind your back. Thank you. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back. I said put your hands behind your back. Anthony. Anthony. Turn around. I'm not
I'm
playing.
trying to hide what happened.
Anthony. Turn around.
I'm just. My nigga.
Anthony.
Not Anthony Harris.
I was trying your back, Anthony. I'm not playing with you.
I don't know you.
Anthony, come on.
Oh.
Anthony.
I was so.
Turn over.
I was.
Anthony.
Anthony, turn over. 205 and 1012. And 104.
But boss, what's going on with you?
Quit resisting, relax your arms.
My arm broke. So bad.
One secured.
Christine,
Copy 1 secured at 951.
we're less rounds. Please.
Go stand outside.
You're ready.
Go stand. Yeah, go stand outside.
Smells like shit.
I get it, Mom. It's a play at Staples.
I'm 1012 with
Bruce. Yo, relax.
Yeah.
What do I care? I pay.
Move on your side. Move on your side. Lift your leg up.
What's the white?
Sit up.
What's the white?
How you doing,
He's about to
Anthony?
hit me.
Who how many?
Stay just like that for me, okay?
We got several devils. We got.
And 246.
How you see the fucking police guy?
We got FP coming for you.
Did you know
Email that was tased.
the fucking police guy?
Mr. Harris, I'm gonna help you get in this chair, okay?
Medicine,
All right, 1, 2, 3, and have a seat in the chair. Very good.
We got the medicine.
What's in your hands, bud?
Oh,
The lighter.
Okay, let me take that stuff out of your hands.
hey, I'm telling her. Hey, we moved some girl. We got good taste, alright? Water taste. Big wall out there now. Elderly taste.
Going to retrieve the removal tool.
Hey, man. What's with the Bahamians? What's the I can Bahamian University police. The Bahamian University police. Why the body? Why the body? Say, the purple say. You hear me? Oh, in the back, nigga. Oh, let me help you. I work here like time of line. Hey, I work here at line. Never got. Line. Guess what?
202-1-365 Lord Deal.
Wait, you hear me? Man, I told you to come in with that. What's that? Oh, good man. Well,
65.
that's wrong with me. Hey, that's how you man. Taser.
Okay. They tased you?
She did. Water taser.
Okay.
Hey, that's wrong with me.
White to that's what
I'll put taser. Just tell me. I say the taser to do nothing to me. You don't want to talk too much. You all right. You just want all right. I'm going to the hospital. He don't want to. Hey, get that.
Do you want me to ride with or just?
I ain't going to get that. I'm not going to the hospital.
Okay.
I'm not going to.
Are you good? We can just remove that.
I'm not going to the hospital.
Oh.
Taking it to nothing to me.
Give me a second.
Do you have any for us to remove?
No.
Put the taser. Why they come here? I didn't do the taser.
I gotta take it out.
Oh, it didn't do nothing to me.
Okay, I'm gonna take it out. It's still right here.
Oh.
Okay?
But it didn't do nothing. They feel nothing.
I know. I
They
know.
feel nothing.
I know.
Feel
Ready?
water.
1, 2, 3.
Talking to a 90.
There you go.
I didn't put no
Barbs
water.
are still intact. That's good.
Oh, man.
Go to the hospital.
No, I'm not going. That's soap.
Okay. Hey,
Some water.
Harris. And then we
That's
got
soap and water also.
We got one more.
I don't need no water. It's lost. Water is lost.
Hold on to that for me.
Man, listen, they take me to the hospital. You take me nowhere. You hospital you ain't taking me nowhere.
Okay, well, I'm not talking about
Let's
taking you
see
anywhere.
on like.
I need you to focus.
Let me take it. After you take it off, let me take it.
Oh, look at it.
Hey, can you look at those guys for a sec?
What's up, man?
What's up?
I keep telling I'm my damn angel.
1, 2.
I'm a treasure.
Okay.
The taser do nothing. I feel it.
Do you feel it? Okay,
Oh, what?
that's good.
Barbs are still there.
I couldn't find mine fast enough.
What,
I
is
figured.
there another connected?
I only know of the
No, put this
two.
on. The whole one.
That looks like it. There's no more coming out of them.
Let me take the.
The other two are down there. That's it. That's it.
Let me take the photos.
That's taser. That's what she shot at me.
Okay.
That's taser. She came
There's
out.
one
You'll
mark.
lift the shirt first.
That's not blood. That's not blood. Don't worry, I put it also. She good. That's not blood. It's not the medication. That's not blood. Come on here. It's not. It's I mean,
I hear you.
that's not blood. It's taser.
You want me to?
Is that the only one?
There's one here.
That's not blood. It's a taser. I like put it on.
Second
I don't
one.
want that. One
Right here.
Black niggas is talking shit. This is wild. All here. That's how blood is. That's how blood is.
All right, Mr. Harris, I need you to sit on there
And
for me.
eyes, is that blood?
You have blood. Yes, there's
That's
blood.
taser.
It's blood from you. Yes.
I'm so now. I saw that. I'm going to the hospital.
They need their chair back. Can you sit
I'm
there,
not.
please?
Oh,
They need their chair back.
A little further up. 1 second.
There you go.
I see security. I don't need that. I'm not going to the hospital. I'm not going to the hospital.
You have to.
I ain't got to go nowhere. I ain't got to go. I don't want to do.
Put it in.
I don't
Make
want
sure
to
you got
do.
that ready.
I ain't got nowhere.
Okay.
I'm not going to. I want to go. Some water.
Mr. Harris, listen to me.
Anthony.
You're gonna need to stop there on your way to jail, okay?
I ain't going to jail.
While you're under arrest,
For
you're going to
reason.
jail.
For reason.
You assaulted a law enforcement
I-
officer. They had to tase
I
you.
didn't say so.
Okay.
I
So you
saw
need to lay
her.
down.
I saw her.
I know.
She shot a taser at
You
me.
gotta lay back.
She saw taser.
helping.
How much
Put the gloves
salt?
on.
How much salt? You going to jail next? How much salt?
Going to jail.
Okay, what's that? Well, beat your ass. Well, beat your ass in jail. Well, beat your. You. Well, go to jail. Oh,
Anthony, kick your legs up, man.
Anthony, I'm gonna put this on
yeah,
you.
I'm
Okay?
saying, who's going to
I'm putting
jail?
that on you. So
You
calm down
do.
for me.
Oh,
Calm down for me.
man,
Thank
you.
you.
Now, good pussy.
Put your back.
You out of here going to jail.
Lay back.
You going to jail. Pussy girl. Little
That was
niggas.
part of why I was.
I get it.
I saw that.
Right. Guess what? I want you to get one
He's
on.
gotta have it.
He said nigga,
Hey,
boy.
sit back for me. Sit back for me.
Anthony, it's all good.
It's good, but let me tell you what happened. That ain't good.
I understand.
That ain't good.
You and me, we're good.
Let me tell you what happened in here.
Just please do what we're asking you to do.
I heard you. Why go to jail?
We'll talk about that.
Good. Well, let me tell you this.
Let's get outside. We'll
Yes,
talk
sir.
more, okay?
Yeah, this one was.
When we get outside, we
This one outside.
Can we just put this?
You. Oh, I kill. Oh, you want?
Yeah, we can do that.
Push this cat.
He said he's good
What's
with
that? This time they put me
Yeah,
on
we
there?
can do that.
Push the man. Bulldog.
be nice, Anthony.
Oh, see what up? Oh. Check
Be
out.
nice. They're not talking
I can
about
see
you.
my water.
Be nice.
See my daughter.
Be nice to them.
All right. See
They're
what
not doing nothing to you.
She got a voice on me. Hey. Oh, she my daughter.
I know.
Listen to me. She my daughter.
I know.
And she
I
got
know.
a
You guys
voice.
grew up together. I know.
Yeah, she my daughter, my real daughter. Listen to me, right?
Off the top of my head, it's Anthony Harris.
As we say, oh,
I'll pull up
mom.
in 2 seconds and get to you.
Hey, has he been thoroughly searched?
2 and I did.
Okay, cool.
I'm going out there.
I appreciate it.